Welcome to the channel, and if you are new here, remember to like, share and subscribe. VYBZ KARTEL and SHORTY was in the same setting last night. They were spotted together at Margaritaville Ochi race. Me personally think nothing is wrong with that because of course them have kids together. So co-parenting is something we have done for years now, so nothing wrong with that to me. But you know, people always speculate, them always form them own opinion. So for example, some people share them thoughts, some people say alright, we listen and we don't judge, which me understand. While some people agree on my take, they're saying like, why don't you think them not talk? People so bitter. You know, other people are say, oh, me no see them. Majority of the people, them basically say nothing is wrong with co-parenting, and as long as them understand each other, of course them can have a relationship like that. Moving on, as you know, recently Bryon Messia's Taliban music video was removed from YouTube. It was removed on the basis of copyright infringement filed by Jeff Fully Auto. So Jeff basically say Bryon Messia uses melodies, flow, you only change it up a bit, which if you listen to the two songs them, you can really see the similarities in them. Boy, Bryon, you look rough. Vegas gave his thoughts on the situation as well. Him saying did I wait some time so he can get to him 2 cents, but something when know from long time or in discover from long time. So alright then, I play the Vegas video and then we move on to the next.
You know, so from what they made want to nothing, but true, me never want to say my bad mind. But now, I think we go be more understanding to what I say now, based on what happened. Now, Bryon Messia, I see an article out, I check it out and yeah, listen to the youth them song, and listen to your song. And if the youth them song was done first, yeah, you're basically thief the man song. Yeah. You just change up the words and the melody, everything, the flow, everything, you thief everything. Yeah. A long time thief in a go on in a dance hall, you know. And man used to get away with it. But you were going in another era, you know. You can't get away with it so easy. Because a man can just report you to the various musical platforms and where you depend, where your song depend. Furthermore, if a man can prove say you infringe on him rights, there is a lawsuit. You can be libelous. You understand me I say? That means a man can sue you. See? Not a situation back in the days when man thief man song or we sing over people's song. See? And release it. People just make it slide because I know major thing for them go after. But now is a different thing, them can sue you. You see what I say? So you can lose your page, you can lose your platforms, your Spotify, your YouTube, the various platforms them where your song depend. You can lose all of them platforms, your fans them everything gone. And you can get sued. See? So it's very important to clear the music before you release it, you know. Especially with these foreign tunes. Yeah. You see, enough of the man them see from what the producer them in Jamaica, or the man we call themselves producers. I see them all lick over all R. Kelly rhythm. You see that R. Kelly rhythm there? You better be careful one who depend it and have it up on them YouTube page. And if you release it on Spotify and them thing there, you can be sued for infringement. Yeah? Not only against the copyright, you know, but against the intellectual property and all of them something there. You can be sued. You can get to a point where you can't perform the song again. And all the performances them want to do, if there's a lawyer we really want to go after uno, all the performances them and the contract them want to sign with the promoter them uno have to go. You know see what happened to Robin Thicke with the Marvin Gaye situation. All the performance them the people them calculate. So I know say people are gonna look and say, yo, you know, them talk here and waste talk and loose talk, but the artists them here talk to. Yeah? Now be careful. Because them thing I'm soon I do a lick over people rhythm and not clear it, because me know say the R. Kelly rhythm they not clear. You know, me know say not clear, R. Kelly they are prison. And the amount of writers with dep on that, the credit for that work there. Me look it up, you know, because me da sing for it, you know. And when me look it up, me I say, no, them the amount of writers we have to go clear that width. So me know say that not clear. Let me say, me 99% sure say that not clear. So all the money with upon it and have it up on a YouTube page, it might be alright now, you know, because the algorithm not pick it up yet, or them collectors not pick it up yet. But when them collectors pick it up, they can remember say, you know, algorithm nowadays, you know, Zane is like a detective, you know. And R. Kelly I come look for him work, you know. And the writers them on the R. Kelly work, I look for the work, you know. Them have collectors. So them a collect all $1. Them a collect all 50 cents. So you want to be careful, brethren. You don't need. Better you not try for some dancehall rhythm. Try for some old dancehall rhythm, because at least we have the history of reproducing rhythms, building over rhythm. So if a man go sue you for build over theme rhythm, you know, when you go quote the show, say, yo, this is the norm. You know, this was the norm. Excuse me, I show how him build over people rhythm too, and you may have a case, right? You may have a case, but not in a situation where you look over a man foreign rhythm. One time we used to sing over people's songs, we put adapted. We don't claim nothing. We don't ask you nothing. We put adapted, and even that now is tricky, because once there is any form of alteration to the composition, you can still get no problem, you know. So we basically we sing over the song, them and we not take no credit. See? We not take no credit. We just give them everything. And we call it adapted. Yeah? So if it blow up big, or if it start, we don't have no ties to it in terms of claiming anything. See? Yeah. So big up on yourself. Be careful what I do. I know so it might be good now, and we might eat a food now, but you can lose out in the long run. Like our Bryon Messia, I don't think I'm going to be able to perform that song now here again. So, come like him eat a food already, I forgot just hold the food there. Yeah, yeah.
Popcaan actually reacted to the Bryon Messiah's music video being taken down. Popcaan reacted by posting, "It's a stolen song moment, laughing emoji." Why? People, tell me on the thoughts on this.